Your doctor's lying. Tinnitus can be cured. If you or a loved one is one of the 50 million plus Americans who suffer from the constant ringing of tinnitus, then this video will shock you. In the following free presentation you will discover how you can naturally and safely reverse tinnitus in as little as 14 days. How everything you think you know about tinnitus is wrong. How the cause of your tinnitus is not what you would expect. How your doctor has been lying to you about this incurable condition. This latest research, released by top-ranked ears, nose, throat consultant from the United Kingdom, is sending shockwaves throughout the medical community. It has the power to change the lives of over 50 million people in America alone. So this is a report you don't want to miss out on. Click here to discover the bizarre tinnitus curing method. http://tinnitus solution info.co